Namaskar. Previous sessions we see that Jal Chakra's poem explanation for grade 8. So this sessions we continue the book exercise this chapter. So first we read the word meanings. First one, Badal, cloud, Pani, water, Hava, air, Sagar, ozone, Power, steam, that means a vapor, Khet, field, Baiche, garden, Dharti, earth, Nadi, river, Jal, water. Next is सही विकल्प चुनिए. Choose the correct options. First question, जल कौन बरसाता है? Who rains water? The rains waters are काले बादल, dark clouds, गरम हवाएं, hot wind, सागर, sea, रंग बिरंगे बादल, colorful clouds. So the answer is colorful clouds, रंग बिरंगे बादल. But here the काले बादल, dark clouds, that means black clouds also be correct answers, because when you rain you maybe see that the dark clouds only give the rainings. So the answer the Kale Badal also correct, but according to the poem the Rang Birange Badal is a correct one. So come to that next question. Jal ko babu banakar upar kaun le jata hai? Who converts the water into the vapor and take it upwards, take it upside? Garam havaing, hot winds. Rest of the badal, cloud, you know the meanings. Rang birange badal, colorful one. These are the meanings, you know that. So garam havaing, that's the answer. So come to the next question. Tal, talaya, nadiya, khet, व बगीचे किसके जल से भर जाते हैं? Pond, lakes, rivers, fields and gardens get filled with what waters? Whose waters? Whose water? The ponds, lakes, rivers, fields and the gardens filled with. That all are filled with the badal ke, clouds or the clouds. That's the right answers. Nadi, you know the river, Sagar. Sea, you know Koop. Koop means well. So come to the next question. Badal se jal kaise jarta hai? How does the water fall from the clouds? The water fall from the clouds as jar case in a torrents. That's the answers. Tip tip karke, sar karke, hal chal karke. These are the other options. How the rainy times later sounds of the rains. That's it. This one. So next exercise. Kavita ki paktiyan puri kijiye. You complete the lines of the poems. So these stanzas, these given stanzas, if you complete, after complete it, you get that meaning of how the clouds are making. So let's see. सागर की छाती के ऊपर गरम हवाएं जब बगती गई, सागर जल को बाबू बनाकर लेकर जब ऊपर उड़ती गई, तरह तरह के बादल सजते, रंग बिरंगे बादल बनते. So this lines, first lines. सागर की छाती के ऊपर गरम हवाएं जब बगती गई, then the hot warm winds, hot winds blow over the heart of the sea, and सागर के जल को बाबू बनाकर लेकर जब ऊपर उड़ती गई, when the sea water convert into the vapor and go upside, go up, तब तरह तरह के बादल सजते, रंग बिरंगे बादल बनते. Then the various type of clouds, that means dark clouds forms. So this is a poems. In these stanzas, the poet uses simple words, using the simple words to explain how the clouds are formed. So now come to that next exercise. Statement the correct or not. Given statement is the correct or not. So first statement, गरम हवाएं सागर के जल को बाब बनाकर ऊपर उड़ती गई. Hot winds are convert the sea water, converts the sea water into the vapor and go up, rise up. So correct the statement is right. Next question. बादल नल से जल भरकर लाते हैं. The clouds bring water from the tap. Nal means a tap. So the water is the clouds not get water from the tap. It's a tap, get the water from, very good, sea. So the statement is wrong. Next one. कोडू पाबड़ी खेत और बगीचे बारिश के जल से भर जाते हैं. The wells, step wells, fields and gardens are filled with the rain waters. So that statement is right. Coop, well, you know that. Babadi, step well. Keth, field, Baichi, gardens. These words are, you know that. So next questions. Badal Baiche se jal barkar late hain. Here also they again confusing that how they can say the second statement that the clouds are bringing water from the tap. Here they said clouds bring the water from the gardens. We say first answer no. Here also be no, wrong. Because the बादल सागर से पानी भरकर लाते हैं. So come to that oral question. सागर के जल को भाप बनकर कौन बनाता है? Who convert the sea water into the vapor? Who converted the hot wind? We already know from that. Choose the correct answers. Second one. So here the question word is come. Who? Instead of who, you write that garam havas. So the answer hot air turns the sea water into steam. Garam हवाएं सागर के जल को भाप बनाती है. और सागर के जल को गर्म हवा भाप बनाती है. So come to the next question. हवा के रथ पर चढ़कर कौन जल बरसाता है? Who rains water? Who rains water? Rains shower the water while riding the chariot on the wind. The बरसाते means shower or rains. So who is a question word? Kaun is a question word. Instead of this question word, what you going to give it? Cloud. Who shower the waters while riding on the chariot of the wind? The cloud. So that question word kaun, you write that answer word बादल. So the answer हवा के रथ पर चढ़कर बादल जल बरसाता है. So here रथ means it chariot. That means it chariot. Next written question answer. बादल जब जल बरसाता है तो कौन से स्थल जल से भर जाते हैं? When the clouds showers, which places filled with the waters? Which places filled with the waters? So here the question word kaun. One time kaun used, then its meaning is who. It's a word. Twice used, then it is a kind of a word formation is called the samas. It's called the samas. Dundva samas. So here the answer words talab, poker, nadiyam, kuyeng, pavadi. Talab, ponds, pool, rivers, wells and step wells. Poker, ponds, nadiyam, rivers, kuyeng, you know that. Coop or kuyeng means it well. Pavadi means it step wells. So these are answer words. Rest of things you copy from a question itself. So how do you answer it? बादल जब जल बरसाता है तो तालाब, पोखर, नदियां, कुएं, पावड़ी सब जल से भर जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कविता के अनुसार जल चक्र कैसे चल रहा है? According to poems, how does the water cycles continue? चलता रहता है, continues. पानी से पाव बनता है, पाव से बादल से पानी, फिर नदियों को और नदियों से समुद्र को मिल जाता है. इस तरह जल चक्र चलता रहता है. Steam is formed from the waters. पानी से बनता है, पानी से पाव बनता है. Clouds from the steams. From the clouds on the steams. पानी से बादल से पाव से बादल से पानी. Water from the clouds in the transformed to rivers. नदियों को बनाते हैं, नदियों को और नदियों से समुद्रों को मिल जाता है. And the rivers to oceans. So this ways इस तरह जल चक्र चलता रहता है. So this ways the water cycles continues. Next मूल्यपरक क्वेश्चंस, वैल्यू एडेड क्वेश्चंस. मानवता के लिए प्रकृति के सबसे कीमती उपहार पानी है. Humans The nature is the most precious gift of the humans. पानी को जीवन भी कहा जाता है. Water also called the life. But today's आज हमारा जीवन खतरे में है. But today's our life is in the dangers because of that water pollution and the water scarcities make our life is very danger zones, bring into the danger zones. So the question is, आप इसके बचाव के लिए क्या करेंगे? What will you do to save it or escape from that? The answer, छोटी छोटी बातों को ध्यान रखकर पानी की बर्बादी रोक सकते हैं. We can save the water. We can save the water wastages by preventing to pay the attention to small things. छोटी छोटी चीजों पर, small things. Water wastage. We can prevent the water wastages by paying attention to the small things. What are the small things? जैसे ब्रश करते समय नल खुला ना लगे, नहाने के लिए पावरे की तरह जगह. जैसे ब्रश करते समय नल खुले न रखे, नहाने के लिए फावरे की जगह बाल्टी का इस्तेमाल मीन्स यूज. नल के नीचे हाथ धोने की बजाय डिब्बे में पानी को लेकर धोना आदि. So how can I prevent the water wastages? Like it, do not keep the tap. Do not keep the tap open while brushing the teeth and use the bucket instead of bathing in a shower. And wash the hand in a container. Use the container to wash our hands by using the hands under the tap. So these are the ways I can prevent it. मैं इन बातों को ध्यान रखकर पानी की बर्बादी रोकूंगा. So बर्बादी wastage. So in this ways, I pay the attention to these things as I will prevent the wastage of water. So next है भाषा से. हिंदी भाषा में स्रोत के आधार पर शब्दों को इन वर्गों में बांटा गया है. In Hindi languages, according the source, स्रोत means a source. According the source, the words are divided in this ways. First one is a तत्सम शब्द. ये शब्द संस्कृत भाषा से ज्यों के लिए गया है. So these words are the Sanskrit words. Sanskrit word directly used in the Hindis, like that पुष्प, दिशा. तद्भव शब्द. ये शब्द तत्सम शब्दों का रूप बदलकर हिंदी में प्रयोग किया जाता है. So these words are changed into that Hindi. These also be Sanskrit word, but it's not directly taken in the Sanskrit strokes. It's changed into that Hindi ways. जैसे फूल, की, these are the Hindi word. Instead of pushpa, they use the fool. Fool means a Hindi word. It's a direct connection of the Hindi fool. So next है देशज. ये शब्दों स्थानीय बोलियों और उपभाषाओं से लिए गए हैं. So these words are derived from that local languages or branch of languages. But that means that the Indian languages. जैसे इटली, उत्तपम. These are the Indian language, Indian side dishes, Indian main dishes, food. So these words in English, Hindi use as idli, uttapam, this like that. So next one, Videshi. Videshi, you know the meaning. Foreign or abroad. So ये शब्द विदेशी भाषाओं से आए हैं. So these words are derived from that foreign languages, like the bus, brush, train, school, ticket, officer, bank, this all. The exercise is, they give a group of words. We have to segregate, we have to separate. And that's some Dadpa, Desaj, Videshi. So first, that's some subject. Nirmal, Surya, Udrashya, Adrishya. So Nirmal, pure. Sun, Suraj is sun, invisibles. Adrishya, invisible. Next, Loga, iron, Gar, house, Patta. I'm writing here in that joining strokes, Paita, Patta. So you can use that Hindi, given that king's words, Patta, like that you can also write it. So leaf, Patta, leaf. Anti, storm. Anti, storms. Hawa, wind. wind, kidiki, window, kidiki, window. Next word, miteshi, foreign words. Train, siege, things, dippe, box. Next exercise. दिए गए शब्दों के पर्यायवाची चुनकर लिखिए. You choose the synonymous words from this king's words. First one, बादल, clouds. मेघ, जलत. I mean typed jalat. This is jalat. धरती, earth. वसुधा, पृथ्वी. हवा, वायु. पवन, air. नदी, sarita. Tatini. That means bank, river bank. That we say that river bank or seashores. Tatini. नेक्स्ट नीचे दिए गए अशुद्ध वाक्यों को शुद्ध करके दोबारा लिखिए. यू रीराइट द गिवन सेंटेंसेस इन करेक्ट वेज. मुझे को जाना है. माइन प्लस को इज कंबाइंड टू बिकम मुझे. सो नो नीड टू गो. मुझे जाना है. आई हैव टू गो. मेरे कोस लाइक दैट. मुझे कोस. हियर आल्सो मेरे को. माइन प्लस को बिकम मुझे. सो नो नीड दैट मेरे को मुझे योगासना करना अच्छा लगता है. आई लाइक टू डूइंग द योगा. नेक्स्ट, मैं आपका दर्शन करने आया हूँ. मैं आपके दर्शन करने आया हूँ. आपके, नॉट आपका. का, के, की is it all of the same meanings of but of is it plural forms, respectable tenses, so K only come that. मैं आपके दर्शन करने आया हूँ. यह सारा काम तुमने करा है. This all the work. Come means work. You have done all this work. So that's the meanings. So सारा काम, then the word subject also be in a plural forms. यह सारा काम तुमने करा है. तुमने is the indication of the past tense. So किए है. So करा became किए है. उसका प्राण चुक गया. His soul is dried up. That means he fed up. उसके प्राण सूख गए हैं. गया not गए, past. So गया not गए. उसके प्राण. Just now the third question is said का, के, की. For that meaning of here the pran soul. Soul is it respect terms, plural tenses. Consider as a plural tense. So uske. Even here single uske. Next, read the passage and give the answers. First, we understand the meaning of what is the meaning of this poem stanzas. Then we going to go for that exercise. हरित पल्वित नव वृक्षों के दृश्य मनोहर होते मुझको विश्व बीच है यज्ञ सुगकर. हरित पल्वित नव वृक्षों के दृश्य मनोहर होते मुझको विश्व बीच गए जैसे सुगकर वैसे अन्य दृश्य होते न कभी है. The poet, this tells us, he explained that the view of the gardens in the greenery trees is beautiful, मनोहर, beautiful. मुझको विश्व बीच है यज्ञ सुगकर. I feel comfortable in the middle of the world. विश्व के बीच, middle of the world. सुगकर वैसे अन्य दृश्य होते न कभी. It's such a scenery I never ever seen that pleasant as. So that's poet in these 3 lines give the beautiful expression of that natures. How it's a nature say bring a happiness or that bring the pleasant mood of our mind. Next 3 lines. उनके अलग तुच्छ परम वे मुझे सभी है. He says in the previous lines, it's none other sins as pleasant as this. Now he says, this is it unique. Before them all are there to me. It is utterly unique. And from the all of that, all the त्वचा small. छोटे छोटे झरने जो भगते सुगदाई जिनकी अद्भुत शोभा सुगमय होती बाई. So in these lines, the poet is more excited and call us the readers as brothers. These small waterfalls that flows very smoothly, very pleasantly. This wonderful beauty would be pleasing me. Oh brother, let's see that. And here he called the reader to enjoy his excitement scenes. So now come to that question answers. Now वृक्षों का दृश्य कवि के कैसे लगता है? How the poet feel about the sight of the new traces? Now vriksha new traces. So how he feel it? Now वृक्षों का दृश्य कवि को मनोहर लगता है. Then new traces will bring it beautiful feelings to the poet. The poets find the sight of new traces beautiful. So next question is कवि के अनुसार सुखदायी क्या है? सुखदायी pleasurables, comfortables. What is according to the poet is pleasurables, comfortables? कवि के अनुसार छोटे छोटे बगते हुए झरने सुखदायी है. According to the poet, the small flowing waterfalls are the pleasurables, comfortables. कवि ने इस कविता में किस विषय पर बात की गई? What matters? What subject the poet is talk about these poems? These poems, कवि ने इस कविता में प्राकृतिक शोभा के विषय पर बात की है. In these poems, the poet is talk about the beauty of the natures. प्राकृतिक शोभा, nature beauty. So next questions. हरित और त्वचा का अर्थ लिखिए. Write the meaning of हरित and the त्वचा. The हरित means greeneries, हरा. हरित का अर्थ है हरा और त्वचा का अर्थ त्वचा का अर्थ छोटा, small. Next one, सुलेख रेडी. जल ही जीवन है. Water is the life. Dictations, तरह तरह के जल बरसाते हैं. This poems, this particular stanzas you read at once. नेक्स्ट पार्ट से आगे फ्रॉम द फॉरवर्ड ऑफ द लेसन्स. जल चक्र का चित्र बनाइए या उसमें रंग भरिए. यू मेंटेन वाटर साइकिल्स, पिक्चर ऑफ द वाटर साइकिल्स एंड फिल विथ द कलर्स. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जल हमारे लिए किस प्रकार उपयोगी? हाउ इज द वाटर इज यूजफुल फॉर अस? क्या पानी के बिना धरती पर जीवन संभव है? इज इट पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ विदाउट द वाटर? No, it's not possible. So जानकारी एकत्रित कीजिए. Collect the information. For these questions, I not give that separate answers. I combine with that last questions. So before questions, जल की जीवन है विषय पर अनुसूची लिखिए. You write the paragraph about the topics of life is it water. Water is the life. So come to that next one. जल संरक्षण पर स्लोगन तैयार कीजिए. Slogan means that naras. You prepare the slogans on the water conservation. So here I am giving that slogans, some slogans. जल संचयन को ले संकल्प, दुनिया का हो कायाकल्प. To take the pledge to the conserve water, the world will be transformed. Sankalpa, kayakalp. For the trainings I use that kayakalp. Kayakalp means transformed. Here I means transformed. The actual meaning of kayakalpa is that one kind of the medicines will bring that human's body is be stronger ever, forever. Next slogan, पानी बचाएंगे हर घर ताकि देश बनाएंगे खुशहाल. We will save the water at all the cost, all the moments, so that the country become prosperous. Prosperous. हम सब ने यह ठाना है पानी को बचाना है. We all have to decide that we have to save the waters. Tana means decide. So now come to that next one. जल ही जीवन है विषय पर अनुशोध लिखिए. Write the paragraph on the topic of water is life. जल ही जीवन है यह उचित बिल्कुल सत्य है. So this saying, the saying water is the life is truly, highly true, absolutely true. पानी का हमारा जीवन में बहुत अधिक महत्व है. It's that more important in our lives. Water is more important in our life. हम अपने दैनिक कार्यों के लिए पानी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. We use the water for our daily life activities. दैनिक daily पानी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जैसे नहाना, कपड़े धोना, खाना बनाना, चाय बनाना, घर की सफाई करना, दांत साफ करना आदि. Like that, we use the water for our daily activities like bathing, washing the clothes, cooking food, making a tea, cleaning the house, brushing the teeth, etc. So this ways we use in the daily life activities via water. मनुष्य के साथ साथ पेड़ पौधों तथा पशु पक्षियों को भी पानी की आवश्यकता होती है. Along the human beings, the waters are necessary for plants, animals and birds also. किसान खेतों की सिंचाई के लिए वर्षा पर ही निर्भर रहता है. वर्षा means rain, not a वर्षा year. The farmers also depend on the rains for their irrigation work on the field. सिंचाई means irrigations. नगरों द्वारा भी सिंचाई का प्रबंध किया जाता है. The नगरों means not city, it's a नगर. Here the नगर means canals. Irrigation is also arranged through the canals. पानी के प्रदूषित करना, पानी को प्रदूषित होने से बचाना हमारा कर्तव्य है. It is our duty to save the water from the pollution. pollution. गंदे पानी से अनेक बीमारियां होती है. Many diseases are caused by the dirty water. गंदे पानी dirty water or polluted water. पानी संबंध है, अमृत है, इसे सुरक्षित रख जाना चाहिए. The water is that wealth and it is that nature. Amrit means nature and we should be protected water. We should be protected. Next question, वर्षा जल संरक्षण के विषय में जानकारी जुटाइए और प्रदर्शनी होती working model तैयार कीजिए. We have to prepare the working models. We collect the information about the rainwater harvestings and exhibit that working models of rainwater harvestings. So this exercise, these questions you try to do yourself if you have time.